My home. I live in a small, cozy house. It has 2 bedrooms, one for my mom and dad, and one that I share with my sister. Every evening, the delicious smell of dinner fills the air. Mom and dad are in the kitchen, cooking our favorite meals. After dinner, we all gather in the living room. It's our favorite time of the day, where we watch movies and laugh together as a family. Our house has a big bathroom with a tub that's perfect for bubble baths and lots of closets for hiding and seeking. Down in the basement is my dad's special place, his workshop. He's a magician with wood, turning plain planks into beautiful furniture. Our house is all on one floor, which is great for racing from one end to the other. We also have a garage where our car sleeps at night. But the best part of our house is the big backyard. It has a giant maple tree that's perfect for climbing. In the summer, we have our very own swimming pool. We splash and play all day long, trying to see who can make the biggest splash. We also have a vegetable garden where we grow crunchy carrots and sweet tomatoes. Mom says eating vegetables we grow ourselves makes them taste even better. I love my house. It's not just a building. It's our home, filled with love, laughter, and wonderful memories.